everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package from Etsy from Lorene Plans. She has some really, really cute stickers, and I just love her. So I placed another order. I have placed several from her. Ooh. And let's see. This one was a freebie. Isn't that cute? Little penguins. And this one was the freebie for the, I don't remember, I ordered during a special time and you got another freebie. So this was that. Isn't that cute? So they go together. And then I ordered this because I thought it was adorable. And I have some woodland garden stickers. So let's see, what did I order? I know I ordered it kind of goofy this time because I usually order the whole kit, and the whole kit is a lot. So I don't always use the whole kit. Like, you get a ton of stickers. And the way I've been doing my planner recently, I haven't needed all of that. So let's see, I ordered the 3-piece, and then I ordered this one. So this should be a 3-piece of the woodland garden. So 1, 2, and 3. So this is the small kit, and you get all of these, and then you get the washi and the days of the week, and then these full boxes, which I think will be perfect for me. And then I also ordered this, which I think is too stinking cute. And then I ordered this sheet extra as well because I like all of these cute little cutesies. I figured if I didn't use them on my planner, I would use them in something. So I had to get those. So that's the woodland garden. And then I did the same thing, I think, with the Be Fabulous. So I ordered this because, well, no explanation needed, obviously. Thank God I'm fabulous, TGIF, super cute. And then, and this set is called Fabulous, and it says Stand Tall. Gosh, she's so cute. And Be Fabulous. And then here's this one. This is adorable. Gosh, I think I'm going to be really happy with doing the kits this way. And I'm just going to put these in here so that they'll all be together. And then I got the cat one. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, it's so cute. Oh, sorry, I can't. My cat said no. Sassy cat. Yeah, I got a couple of those. I am loving these. Hang in there. And then here's the washi and the days and the, oh, look at the cat tail. Oh my gosh. I love it, love it, love it. She's so creative. She has some really good kits. And there's a whole bunch of new ones that she has out. I love that one. And then this last kit that I got is called Don't Stress Me Out. And here are the little guys. And look at all the little people you get. So cute with all the little kitty cats on their shoulder, and she's drinking coffee, and that says Coffee Anyone. Fresh cream, sugar, coffee, tea. This is so me. Look at the bag. Oh my word. And then, oh, there's me. I think this is just one big sticker. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It's awesome. Yeah, all of these are just one big sticker. So what I'm thinking is I'm just going to put it on a card and use it as a, well, I don't know what you call those, but whatever. Look at the coffee cup with the paw print. Oh my word. Don't stress me out. Oh my goodness, that cat is so special. And this is called Easter Egg Hunt, it says. I don't know why that would be called that, because I think that one's messed up, because I think it's It's Don't Stress Me Out, so don't listen to that. She must have just put the wrong header on it. Oh, too cute. Gosh, now I can't wait to do my planner. I don't know which one I'm going to do first. I love them all. I love them all. They are so cute. So there's those, and then I also got this. Isn't that cute? I don't know that I ordered this. I think she just gave that to me. Don't Stress Me Out. Hang in there. Woodland Gardens. Be fabulous. Be fabulous. Woodland Garden. Yeah, she just sent this to me. So thank you. I appreciate that, Lisa. That's so cute. So there we go. That is everything, and it is amazing. So I am excited to use these. So shop her store. I will try to remember to link her below. If for some reason I forget, please kindly remind me, and I will be happy to do so. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.